want them to the lady will tell me to look his sprat. I like fish is sprat. To the well saying cake. I'm saying cake sprat. Then you go tell your son to come.
It's a fishing village. Yeah. Square fish for a living. Yeah. You know what thing go. Some we go see. Some we just go on the fish and sell like a fish on the beach.
But how much that way? You sell that a baby fish? Well, so
yeah.
Just look. Wash off and look. I like this, you know.
One paper fish.
So you bust the lobster them, you know. Take out a gut out of them and stuff them and roast them, fry them, anything you want to do with them. And it's like that, you know. So we deal with them. People love them, they're nice and alright and something. So we fish them and everything, and so you go. So we deal with them quick and fast, we don't itch on them. Alright. So it's set, you know. Real man. You know everything, you know everything, you know. So it's set, man.
That's my family. But we get fish already, bro.
Get fish already, man. Game fish already. Yes, my general. I don't want it, man. I'm a criminal. I want people to see me all Germany, Italy, Brazil, whole world. But I don't know if I'm video, you know, creepy fish them and talk to them and see how we see it on YouTube and everything, you know. Yeah, man, see it on, man. I'll go to.
I not for sale.
Come park up like in the corner here.
First time we have creep, I think your vacancy for them still, you know. Big man thing.
Like I
No, I build up something.
the people have fish are creep and can't have a vehicle. Show man want to lick your fight and I join.
Yeah, walk with him, sir.
Yeah?
No, I'm not going to
Yeah, not with me, that's you.
I want to
Yeah, man, the boss will top video. I mean, the top the boss will go up and talk and something. What you talk about, man? Yeah, man. See, all the people that want to know Jackfish, now want to name Jackfish here. Alright, man, the pink parrot, you know? Yeah, scrape him decent and fry him in your plate. Eat him with barbecue, brown stew, anything you want to get. Yeah, good like that. You have to get in that table, you don't have to talk. Yeah, you don't have to talk about it.
Yes, I know when you're dumpy.
Sometimes you don't know how them look at fish. Some people fly up and some Caribbean come check it. After you want to know that fish scraper you there.
A bit better, man. You don't go out to video and 2 man already.
One name, man. Blood on the board, you can't come in. You come and pull on man table.
I don't fish that lady.
That's where you come from. I come down here mad. No, sir. I don't want them to contract. I don't know, because I can contract my thing myself. Can we build outside toilet, inside? Come on. Alright, that now I just show me the man, I no contract down here. Alright, I just 1 or 2 times. Because I love fish scraping, you know. I love like it. Make money out of it. Come on, pull. Yeah, man, that one I call it grunt, my general. That one they love steam with crackers and bammy. Yeah. That one is nice. So called all one thing head and hear them. A beer juice and get. What, I'm foreign brother. I'm deal with this one. Oh, you know me no.
Panga.
Panga.
Alright, steaming on the car.
No pot for put him in a daddy.
Yeah man, I wanna call it grunt, you know. Fat and decent and nice. Don't show him anything you want to do with him. Steam him, cook him with bammy. Yeah. Anything you want to do with him. You know? Last one, this is a package. You know? Deal with that, so clean up. Yeah. So you deal with them, you know. That's general now, my whole power for deal with after when you go man anyway. So proper cleaning. Rocky Pan can clean his scrape and fish, you know. Where if you do? Brother, where if you do? That thing have to do, you know. I don't know here, Sophie. I don't know. I'm going to want to try for earn a few business.
Curtain that.
Them deal with that gun to the proper way, yeah, and a dapper way, yeah. Understand? Yeah. I ain't that the general. Quick and fast. Fish vendor, woman and man, them. Big up all the fish vendor them for Rocky Point. Big up all the fisherman them. Big up all the fish scraper them. Big up Paggy, big up Enked. Big up One Son. Big up all the fish scraper them. Video them, my boss.
Like, subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification button. Hey yo, we always up to something.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.